You are not supposed to end 2025 like this. If people think you've fallen off, good, because 2026 will be the year you erase every failure and make the greatest comeback of your life. You feel the weight of wasted time, months lost to distraction, days lost to lust, nights lost to scrolling. You've been operating below your potential, and deep down you know it. This is the weakness that turns strong men into spectators. In 2026, you either take control or become another forgettable story. Step 1 is the exile protocol, 90 days of strategic disappearance. Not running away, rebuilding. Cut 80% of noise. Delete useless apps. Stop announcing your goals. Pick one mission, one direction, one obsession. The world doesn't need to hear you. They need to feel your return. Step 2 is the 6 to 9 a.m. dominance window. This is where comebacks are engineered. Wake up with intention, get sunlight, hydrate, move, attack your hardest task before the world wakes. No dopamine for the first hour, no scrolling. This window rewires your brain from weak to unbreakable. Step 3 is discomfort conditioning. You don't rise through comfort, you rise through controlled suffering. Cold exposure, early workouts, studying when your mind resists. Each time you lean into pain, you install a new identity, the man who does what others avoid. Step 4 is the dopamine reboot. Cut cheap dopamine. Endless scrolling, junk entertainment, and porn. Pair it with intermittent fasting. Control what you consume. Control what you crave. A man who can't control desire is already defeated. A man who does becomes unstoppable. Step 5 is the identity upgrade. This is the final switch. Use your past pain as fuel. Build your physique daily. Upgrade your skills. Study relentlessly. Become the man who finishes everything he starts. Comebacks aren't about motivation. They're about identity, and yours is about to change forever. Your comeback begins now. If you're serious about 2026, check out the description for the best self-help books to strengthen your discipline, mindset, and purpose. Start feeding your mind like a man preparing for a new life.